Hi guys, welcome to my vlogmas. I don't know what day it is, but I think it's about day 19. It could be day 20. Today is Sunday, and I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogmas day videos, getting to know me more personally into my daily life. But I'm gonna be cooking again today. I swear, it feels like I cook every day, but I don't. Most of my vlogs I end up cooking, but I'm gonna be cooking today. I'm gonna be making some stewed chicken. I don't know how to make rice and peas that well yet, so I just stick to my parboiled rice. I just came in from the grocery store with my son and my nephew, Naz and Micah. I need to pack out the groceries and I need to start cooking as soon as possible. Good thing that the kitchen is tidy already, thank God. I tidied it up this morning. It's really late in the afternoon. I feel like my dinner should have been done cooked already, but you know how it goes already. Woke up late with the kids. I was doing some other things and time caught up to me, but I still have to make my dinner nonetheless, so okay, get this stool and wash it. Are these sweet?
We got some tangerines.
You want a tangerine?
Tangerine. A type of orange. No, I don't like it. Put in the garbage.
Did you remember to get your tangerine?
No.
Oh, we got your tangerines here. I'm gonna wash the outside because I don't know if people were touching these, right? Here, Micah.
Look at how much that tastes.
Wow. Micah, this one looks like it's gonna be juicy. Here.
Juicy hot.
This one is so soft. I keep on getting these small bags of rice, but I get them so small because I don't want to cook rice as often as I do. So it's like the smaller the bag, the less I'll cook it. That's how I feel.
Okay.
Some kale, carrots.
I have some fresh strawberries.
Got some fresh strawberries. Why don't you just wash a bunch of them so that you just have them?
Oh. So you're telling me put a bunch of water in here?
Yeah, or you can just put them in a bowl, the ones that you want, and then wash them out in here. Whichever.
I'm gonna wash all of them.
Okay. So I'm gonna season these separately. What's up, dude? Really?
So we're gonna do the gingerbread house soon, right?
Gingerbread house?
Mm-hmm.
Today, I think.
I think we should do it today. Say we're going home soon. Daddy! Not gonna do that to me.
Alright, so I'm gonna make this batch today and I'm gonna save this one, like season it and marinate it for maybe the next 2 days. I'm gonna clean the chicken now. I'm gonna clean the chicken. These are skinless, boneless chicken thigh. The only thing I really like to do with these is just scrape off like the extra fat on it. So I just like literally just peel it off like this. Not all of it, because sometimes it gives you like I kind of like it, but I don't like the whole, like I don't like all of the fat. Like all this white, I just like to scrape that out. Scrape off the white spots. I hope this one is juicy. Some of the pieces I left the skin on, but most of the legs I took the skin off. Thought I had pepper, but all I have is this little piece of dry out green pepper, so I'm just gonna cut around it and just use the little bit that's left. I don't even know if it makes sense anymore. It just feels weird to make it without green pepper. Brings up the juices. When I was younger, my dad used to say, oh, if you eat the thyme, like the thyme that's left in your plate, you'll live longer. And I actually believed him. Until I got older, I was like, I get it now. These are all the vegetables that are going to be going in the stew. I usually have more red pepper and green pepper, but I don't have any right now. This is all I have. So we just gotta work with what we got. Alright, I'm just gonna cut up the legs into smaller pieces. I like it when they're in smaller pieces as opposed to like the whole leg. Alright, so we're gonna season it here. We're gonna season. I ran out of garlic and onion powder, so I just bought some. because I use it in almost everything. And I bought some chopped garlic. I love buying chopped garlic. It's just so much more efficient. So much faster. Saves so much. Browning.
Whose donut is this?
So, black pepper.
I want it.
Lord, I need all-purpose seasoning. Chicken seasoning, which is almost done. This is like some barbecue seasoning. Paprika. Let me use some paprika for some color. Pimento seed. Lots of flavor here. I'm gonna put some salt. This pink salt is so salty, like you can't even use too much because that's all you taste after. My bougie black pepper. Onion powder. All the flavors. Garlic powder. We're gonna use the rest of the chicken seasoning because it's done pretty much. So we're just gonna dump that in there. This is like, it says chicken seasoning, but it's it's kind of like an all-purpose seasoning. I think it's called Vegeta. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some of that. I'm gonna add some of this barbecue seasoning, just a little bit. It gives me like a meat seasoning smell. It's not like barbecue.
You have pencils better than upstairs.
I'm gonna put the minced garlic in there. So I'm gonna take some like this, just dump it in. You know, we need like that real garlic flavor. What else we got? Did I miss anything? Okay, we're gonna put some of this, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Worcestershire sauce. I don't know, but I like using this because it adds some more flavor as well. It's like a nice marinade, so I like to use it in most of my dishes. I discovered it on YouTube. See, YouTube is helpful. All right, I'm gonna get some pimento seed. I put some of it in a little spaghetti jar. I'm gonna put some of the pimento seed on a piece of napkin right here. Let me add some more because I really like them. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on a napkin here and just fold it, and then just crush it like this with the jar. Whoop. All right. So I ground it like this, and I'm just gonna toss it in here. And of course, we're gonna add some browning for the color. Just gonna take a little bit of browning. My mother-in-law sent me some seasoning from Jamaica. The one that I normally use is like a pink color and there's an orange one, but those ones are finished, so I'm only left with these two. And to be honest, I have no idea what kind of seasoning they are, but I always use them anyway, so I'm gonna use the rest of this. And they're not too salty either, so I don't mind using them. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna scrape all the seasoning in, because this is what my mom taught me to do. Just put everything together. I'm not sure if you guys do it like this. And just mix everything. Alright, so I'm mixing everything together, and it looks like it's missing like some browning and some more seasoning. So I'm gonna add some more browning in here, because I don't want the chicken to look white. Alright, there we go. I think that should be good. So I just checked my Instagram and I just won a free giveaway. I won an Xbox. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's me, guys. I don't typically use Xboxes, but I feel like I'm just gonna use it anyway, you know, between me, Kalmar, and Micah. Family time. But anyway, I'm really excited about that. And I just got a ring on my doorbell, and my neighbor brought us a nice little Christmas gift. I thought it was so thoughtful. I really wasn't expecting it because we haven't been here for a full year yet, and obviously because of COVID, we haven't really been communicating with, you know, our neighbors and stuff. So I thought it was so nice of them. She rang the bell and dropped this off. So it looks like it's hot chocolate. She made like hot chocolate. They were like hot chocolate bombs. I think that's what they're called, hot chocolate bombs. So nice. And we also got one of these. I'm not really sure what they're called. I haven't had it before. Like a chocolate chip cake. Yes, it's a chocolate chip cake. And they left a little note here. I thought that was so thoughtful. I really wish that we could spend more time with, not spend more time, but like get to know our neighbors a lot more. If Michelle, if you're watching this, and Brian, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Sorry. Yeah, this one has to rub it in.
Don't try this if you don't like blue. Shit in your clothes like feel cap shit. What you mean me no play daddy? Is it? Suck your bum. 16 but no boy skin. Head tap bust up and split. Big powers, yes, come and bring no groups, so sorry to my tongue, straight and think what it is again. Your time is sweet when you making it. You can't make sure that you're saving it. Don't end up scrounging it.